Pak-Afghan border crossings in Balochistan are closed for more than 1.5 months now, suspending an estimated $2 billion cross-border trade between the two neighboring countries, as Pakistan had yet again announced that the country is open for mediation by Saudi Arabia to diffuse tension with Afghanistan despite the recent attacks by the Afghan-based militant groups. According to the local business community in Balochistan, the border closure has been causing millions of dollars losses to the traders living in Quetta and other bordering towns of the province, demanding an immediate border opening. Pakistan has said yesterday that the ceasefire with Afghanistan was no longer holding after the recent terrorist attacks in Islamabad and Peshawar, which killed dozens of Pakistani citizens, because despite the ceasefire, major terrorist attacks happened in Pakistan under the complete patronage of the current Afghan regime.